Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to sync Obsidian with Anki. Alright, so let's begin. So in order to sync Obsidian with Anki, you have to follow these steps. First, open Obsidian on your computer and make sure you are in the vault where you want to manage your notes and flashcards. Once you are in your vault, click on the settings gear icon in the lower left corner. Next, go to community plugins. If community plugins are disabled, follow the prompts to enable them. After that, click on browse to open the plugin marketplace. In the search bar, type Anki and look for a plugin that allows you to create and sync Anki cards from your Obsidian nodes. Review the plugin description to make sure it matches your needs, then click install. Once the installation is complete, click enable to activate the plugin. After enabling the plugin, close the settings panel and return to your notes. If the plugin has its own settings page, open it and configure options such as your default deck, tags, and card formatting preferences. Now, open your web browser and download Anki from the official Anki website. Install the application on your computer and open it. Many Obsidian to Anki plugins require the Anki desktop app to be running so they can communicate with it locally. Once Anki is installed and running, create a test note in Obsidian using the card format recommended by your plugin. Then use the plugin sync or send command to export the note as a flashcard. If everything is configured correctly, the card should appear in your selected Anki deck. If the cards do not appear, check the plugin settings, verify that Anki is open, and review the plugin documentation for the correct note syntax. And that's it. This is how you can sync Obsidian with Anki. That's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.